Okay guys, welcome back. Today we're at ROCKHOUSE, which is part of the Hocking Hills State Park. This is the only true cave in the Hocking Hills State Park. Once we run through it and show you the inside, you'll understand why they call it a true cave. And the other ones are more like rock openings or overhangs, etc. But this is a gorgeous place. Let me get you turned around. There is two trails here. One is blazed yellow, one is blazed green. Today we're doing the green trail, which is the gorge overlook trail or gorge trail. So here we go.
So over the years, the water has washed out the cave, and that is how the cave was made. Throughout the years in history, the Native Americans actually hid out in the cave, and they created stoves out of the cave walls, and that's how they cooked, and they collected water from the bottoms of the cave, and that gave them a fresh water source at all times, which is pretty awesome to have that. In the early 1800s, robbers would hide out in the cave. Okay, so to give you an idea of the size of the cave, It's approximately 25 feet high, 200 feet long, and in between 20 to 30 feet wide.
So I'm sure you just saw how we went through the cave there. Kind of hard to shoot in there. It's kind of dark today. Sun's not overhead fully to allow light in, but it's gorgeous in there. And there's going to be people in there. You need to know that. It's a heavily visited area. I kind of feel like normally when I see stuff carved into stuff, I get really upset because it's like graffiti. But the reality of it is here, there's stuff like back in the 1900s carved on those stones. So I don't complain, I actually get intrigued by it. And some of them are done like long term with like a chisel. So some of them's from workers that have worked around here too. So it's pretty nice.